Hi my beauties! So let's get started, and hairstyle number 1 is basically parting your hair onto one side, and then from the other side you again gonna part, and that's how you're gonna get your crown section. And this section you're gonna be braiding to a half-sided Dutch braid, just the other way round, or in other words you need to go under your strands. And while braiding your way down, you want to incorporate 2 to 3 chunks of hair from your hairline into your braid. After that, you're going to braid it down a bit more and then clip it aside. Now you want to comb through your hair to get rid of any tangles, and then going to part half a section of your hair like so. Now you're going to place your braid under that chunk of hair and then secure it in place with a bobby pin. Release of the clip and set your hair back to hide up the braid. I'm just gonna pull out a small strand of hair to frame my face. And we are done. Hairstyle number 2. It's a very cute, elegant low bun. Definitely my favorite one to wear with Indian attires, as I have really short hair. It's like you first just gonna comb through your hair and put it up into a ponytail at the nape of your neck. Now you're gonna part through your pony and flip your hair through it once like so. Now the second time you're gonna flip, but just gonna pull out the ends and kind of secure it. Now the in-between loop is going to be a bun, which you will fan out and place bobby pins to secure it in place. I'm really sorry because these lightings are really not helping out. My hair is so black that it's just not visible that what it is exactly. But that's how we're going to do it. I'm just putting in more bobby pins and U-pins to just keep it in that fan shape. For this particular bun, I like to take my hair over my ears. And then for that loop gap, you can either put a flower or a dazzling pin to enhance your bun. Hairstyle number 3. For this hairstyle, you're gonna take a chunk of hair from your crown section and then you're gonna braid it down to quite a bit and then secure it in place with a rubber band. Next, you want to take 2 equal sections from both sides from your temples, incorporating that onto one side, overlapping your braid and secure it into a ponytail. Again, you're going to take 2 more sections and incorporate onto one side, overlapping the previous one. Now, depending upon the thickness of your hair, you can keep doing this, or you can even bring it down like a braid. But in my case, really thin hair, so I'm going to stop after 3 to 4 ponytails. Hairstyle number 4 is a very simple glam look in just 2 minutes. It's basically you're going to start with the side parting and then further part the front section of your hair into really small sections, but that front section should be before your ears. Grab a curling wand and curl the front sections outwards. and then secure the rest of your hair into a ponytail at the nape of your neck. Now you're just going to comb through your curled hair with your fingers, setting it as per your satisfaction, and then just decking up the ponytail. You can even incorporate this hairstyle with the second hairstyle, like that bun one. And that's it. I hope you liked it, girls. Don't forget to give it a like, and until next time, stay blessed. Bye.